Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to easily install Apple TV on your Toshiba TV. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or just want to stream your favorite shows, Apple TV can take your entertainment experience to the next level. 1. First things first, make sure you have your Apple TV device ready to go. It's a sleek little box that packs a punch in terms of entertainment options. 2. Next, locate the HDMI port on your Toshiba TV. It's usually located at the back or on the side. This is where you'll plug in your Apple TV. 3. Now, take your HDMI cable and plug one end into the HDMI port on your Toshiba TV. 4. And then, plug the other end into the HDMI port on your Apple TV device. 5. After that, you'll need to power up your Apple TV. Simply plug in the power cable and connect it to a power outlet. 6. Once your Apple TV is powered up, grab the remote and turn on your Toshiba TV. Make sure it's set to the correct HDMI input where you plugged in your Apple TV. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Apple TV to your Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Apple ID. This will give you access to all the amazing content available on the Apple TV platform. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Apple TV on your Toshiba TV. Now you can enjoy streaming movies, TV shows, games, and much more, all from the comfort of your living room. Thanks for watching.